What if you could build a complete AI-powered image generator website just by talking to an AI agent? That's exactly what we're going to test today with Runnable, a general-purpose AI agent that can turn simple prompts into complete projects and handle everything from websites and images to videos, presentations, reports, and much more. But we're not stopping at the basic UI. We'll generate and edit our own assets, create an interactive image reveal effect, add cinematic animations, build the rest of the pages, and explore some of Runnable's more advanced features. So let's put Runnable to the test and see how far we can actually push it. Let's start building. Okay, guys, here we are on the official Runnable website. If you've ever wished there was one AI platform that could handle almost everything instead of switching between 5 or 6 different tools, that's exactly what Runnable is built for. Runnable is an all-in-one AI workspace powered by a single intelligent agent that can build full-stack websites, create presentations, generate images and videos, write research reports, design social media content, produce audio, and even deploy your projects, all from simple natural language prompts. Instead of just giving you suggestions, Runnable actually performs the work for you, combining coding, design, media generation, and deployment into one seamless workflow. Right here, we can see one of Runnable's biggest advantages. Instead of paying for multiple AI tools every month, Runnable brings all those capabilities together in one platform, helping you save money while keeping everything in a single workspace. So now all you need to do is click the first link down in the description and create your free Runnable account. Runnable is also available on mobile and desktop, so you can download it on your iPhone, Android device, Mac, or Windows computer and keep building wherever you are. So once you sign in, you'll be taken to this clean and modern dashboard. Right here in the center is the main prompt box where you simply describe what you want to build, whether it's a website, app, presentation, report, image, video, or much more. Above it, you can switch between agent, ask, and grow modes, depending on your workflow. Below the prompt box, you'll find quick shortcuts to instantly start building websites, slides, reports, spreadsheets, and other projects. Also, below the prompt box, we can see a wide range of tools, from building websites and creating slides to generating reports, spreadsheets, videos, images, audio, and design carousels. So Runnable can handle much more than just website creation. For this video, we're going to build an AI-powered image generator SaaS called GENIX. When it comes to building websites with AI, one of the most important things is having a strong idea and good design inspiration. I usually explore platforms like Dribbble and Pinterest to find designs I like. For example, I found this excellent hero section on Pinterest. All I need to do is take a screenshot or download the image, then head back to Runnable. I'll upload the image directly into the chat and give Runnable a simple prompt like this. Recreate this hero section with the same layout, typography, spacing, proportions, and visual style, but adapt it for my AI image generator SaaS, GENIX. Use pure black as the background, remove the robot and green effects, and rewrite the content to match an AI image generation platform. I've also included all the prompts I used throughout this video. You'll find the link down below in the description so you can access them and use them as a reference for your own projects. So that's it for our prompt. Right here, we also have the option to switch between agent mode and ask mode. Next, we have the model selector, which is set to auto by default. Here you can choose how much reasoning power you want to give the AI for your task. If you're tackling your most demanding projects that require the deepest reasoning and planning, Ultra gives the agent the highest level of performance. Max is ideal for more complex work. Normal is perfect for everyday creation tasks like videos, spreadsheets, and other lightweight projects. Since we're only asking the agent to build a hero section instead of a complete website, I'm going to select the Max mode, which is still a very powerful option for tasks like this. Now we also have the plan option right here. If you enable it, the agent will first research your request, ask any necessary clarification questions, and generate a complete execution plan before it starts building. But since my prompt is already very detailed and the task is fairly straightforward, I'm going to skip plan mode for this tutorial. And just like that, the agent gets to work. It analyzes my prompt, gathers the information it needs, generates the required assets, writes the code, and assembles the entire design automatically. After just a few minutes, the generation is complete, and right here we can see the final result. Now, to really put Runnable to the test, I want to add an advanced reveal effect to the hero using 2 different images and a custom prompt, and see how well it can bring this idea to life. First, we need an image that matches the style of our platform and hero section. So once again, I explored Pinterest and found this futuristic character with a glowing visor and a bold red background. I'll download the image, but we can't use it as is. We first need to remove the background, improve its quality, and prepare it for our hero. And since we're already using Runnable, we don't need another tool for this. So I'll open a new chat, switch from the website option to image, upload the image, and enter a prompt like this. Remove the entire background and make it fully transparent. Keep the character exactly as is, small and centered at the bottom. Preserve its proportions and details. Expand to 16:9 and upscale to 8K quality without enlarging the character. I'll also switch the power setting from max to ultra to get the best result possible. All right, let's hit send and see what we get. And there we go. It looks great. I'll just zoom in slightly so the character appears larger when we add it to the hero section. This will be the front image of our reveal effect, but when the user hovers over it, I want a completely different version of the character to be revealed. So I'll upload this image again and ask Runnable to make one simple change. Remove the visor and hood completely. Reveal a beautiful girl with short hair, preserving the same pose and overall character style. Change nothing else. And that's it. Let's hit send. There we go. Exactly what we wanted. Now we have both images ready for our interactive reveal effect. Now, another really useful feature that has appeared here is schedule tasks. This lets you automate tasks that you need to run regularly. You can define the instructions once, choose how often you want it to run, set the date and time, and choose whether you want to receive notifications by email or through the mobile app. So instead of manually running the same task every day, you can simply schedule it and let Runnable handle it automatically. Oh, it looks like the background isn't transparent and the image ratio isn't quite what we wanted. Let me quickly try it again in a new chat using the same prompt. And there we go. This result looks much better. Now that we have the two images we need for our reveal effect, I'll head back to the GENIX project chat. As I mentioned earlier, I've included all the prompts used throughout this video in the link below the video. I've also included this prompt, which you can use to add the same advanced effect to your own website using different images that match your project and brand. The prompt starts with, keep the current hero background exactly as it is. Use the attached character image exactly as provided. Do not crop, resize, recolor, edit, regenerate, or alter the character. And then we define the attached assets. For the assets, we need to rename them to BG image 1 for the base image and BG image 2 for the reveal image. So I'll rename both images, copy the full prompt, head back to Runnable, paste it into the chat, and upload both images. That's all we need. Let's hit send and let Runnable handle the rest. Before starting, the agent is asking a couple of clarifying questions. For example, it noticed that the current hero doesn't have a character and is asking how we want to use BG image 1. This is actually a great thing because it gives us control over exactly how the agent should implement the effect. The first option is exactly what we want, so I'll select that and continue. Next, it asks where the character should be positioned in the hero section. The first option places it behind the headline, but I want the character in front of the headline, so I'll select the second option and continue. Now, Runnable has all the information it needs, so let's see the result. And there we go. The effect is already live on our page. If I hover over the character, you can see this really nice reveal and spotlight effect. The only thing I want to change is the character size. I'll simply ask Runnable to increase it by 30%. Much better. Maybe just a little bigger would look even better. Perfect. Now it feels much more balanced, and this is where Runnable becomes really powerful. You can continue expanding your project, editing existing elements, adding or removing sections, and implementing completely new features. Whether you're building a website, generating images and videos, or working on other parts of your project. And there's one more really useful feature here, edit mode. Once you enable it, you can simply select an individual element or an entire section, describe the changes you want, and let Runnable make the edits for you. It's a really simple way to keep iterating on your project without having to manually change everything yourself. Next, let's give the background a little upgrade. I'll enter another prompt to add a cinematic spotlight effect to the background and make the hero feel even more polished. And again, you can find all of the prompts I'm using throughout this tutorial through the link in the description below. There we have it. This looks awesome. Now let's put Runnable through another challenge. This time, Instead of working on just one section, I'm going to give the agent a complete prompt to generate the rest of the pages and sections we need for our website. I'll paste in the prompt, hit send, and let Runnable take it from here. So just like that, you can do almost anything you can imagine with Runnable, from adding real functionality and connecting your app to an actual backend, to creating advanced animations, 3D effects, or even something as simple as a loading animation. Just describe what you want, and the agent can handle it for you in one go. And once your project is complete, you can also save it directly to your GitHub account as a new repository, making it much easier to continue developing or manage your project outside of Runnable. We also have this dashboard section here, which gives us access to some important project tools. We have analytics, where you can monitor your project's performance and activity. Next is SEO, which gives you tools to optimize your website for search engines. Then we have domains, where you can manage and connect your custom domain to the project. Under that, there's payments, which is useful for setting up and managing payment functionality. And finally, we have secrets, where you can securely manage sensitive credentials and API keys used by your project. So Runnable isn't just about generating the website, it also gives you the tools to manage and take your project from an AI-generated prototype toward a complete functional product. And once everything is ready, you can simply publish your project and make your website live for the world to see. From here, you can customize your subdomain if you'd like, configure your project's visibility and availability settings, and then simply click Publish. That's it. In less than a minute, Runnable deploys your project and gives you a live URL that you can instantly share with anyone around the world. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you want to try Runnable for yourself, I've left the link in the description below, along with all the prompts I used throughout this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.